I'm Cindy Stone, co-owner and CSO of Harry with Stone's Ladies Boutique. I've only been with Susie for 6 months now, and I cannot tell you the difference in what she has already done in just 6 months. I wish we would have found Susie when we first started. The things we know now with direction and SOPs in place that she's helped us greatly with, you have direction, you have a future, just like she even said, which we've never thought about selling the business, but you set it up to sell, just say, and even if you don't, it's there, to see, okay, this is how you hire, this is what you do for sales, this is your customer journey, this is, your marketing plan, and it's all in black and white. And you have guidelines, and it makes everything so much easier. So far on my part, I don't see any challenges working with Susie. It's been very easy. And I wanted to say this about Susie, just like anytime we need to speak, I text her and she'll text back, or if I need an appointment, just like today I text about a call. Can you jump on a call real quick? I need to talk to you about a referral program or whatever. And she says, okay, let me contact Sam. She's very accommodating and it's convenient, and y'all are just right there at our fingertips, and I love that. I don't feel like I call or text and I have to wait a month or 2 weeks or a week to, speak with someone. It's quick, and I know the other ones feel the same way. Working with Susie and her team has been absolutely amazing. They're easy to work with. It's quick meetings. It's a quick call, a quick text. It's always a response, an email. And even if it's on the weekend, I've seen where, it's been some kind of response. And I just highly recommend this team and Susie, because it has been, just within the 6 months, it has been an incredible change. And I know that growth will come from all of this, because once you have everything in place, then that just comes, natural after that. The sales and everything. And she has all that lined out for us too. So the biggest thing that I have taken from all of this is just to really step back, take a look at what you have, and really work on the things that are going to get you to the next level. Take a step back, take a breath, and just do one thing at a time to just kind of overcome being so overwhelmed. Take a chance and do that, because financially it is an investment, but you know what? You get into what you put into your investment, and you're going to get the result. The only way you're going to get results is to invest in it, and the money's going to come, and your sales are going to be bumped up. Your company is going to be organized in order where you can step out, work on your business, and not be so consumed in your business. And I just really highly recommend taking that step. No matter how many years you've been in business, we have been in business for 35 years. You can't know it all. Things in the business, in the world, will change so fast. Everything is evolving at 100 miles an hour, and you have to stay up with the times. And as we age and get older, you have to still reach other customers. Like in our business, we still have to, relate to the young people, not just our age. So we have a wide range there. So no matter how long you've been in business, you have to keep up with the times, and you have to invest in your future and growing your business. And I think that's the main thing, is no matter how long it is, you can never know it all. And it's always a great learning opportunity as well as growing.